Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beach Crypto. We ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. It is Monday, August 12th at 6:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. Busy weekend I had. Had a nice little softball tournament. Just got back late last night, so yeah. So it was a long weekend, but good times. Had a lot of fun. Very proud of these girls. It's last tournament for the summer team, and yeah, saw a lot of progress in them from the beginning of the season to the end, and just wanted to say very proud of them. Yo, David, good morning. Good morning, Justin Eubanks. Good morning, Rakinos. So yeah, basically, just gonna look at the chart for a second, and then get out of here. It's Monday. There's no news today. No economic data, that is. So, not a whole lot to go over, really, to be quite honest. Just still waiting to see if we can get some trend continuation to the upside after our nice impulsive moves. We got federal budget balance. Some people might be into that. Cleveland Fed inflation expectations, but you could see they're yellow folders, which means not really much of an impact, if any impact at all. So we'll see. And JPY has something later tonight. They got their PPI tonight, year over year. So maybe XRP will get moving tonight. We'll see. But typically, don't trade Mondays in general. Sometimes I can. If there's some economic data, some significant economic data, but usually Monday is the setup for the rest of the week. Monday gives you the hints as to where the market makers might be going for that week. Good morning, Sniper's Nightmare. Good to see you, man. Want to mod this, mate, and other not working at the moment. What? Want to mod this. I can't read what that's saying because it's a stupid emoji thing. Let's see. Whoa. Want to mod this account, mate, or not working at the moment? I'm so confused. Anyways, try to ask me again because I don't know what you're saying. Tomorrow we have core PPI and PPI month over month. And Fed member Bostic speaks. Bostic. So, good stuff. But let's go ahead and get into the charts. All right. So I drew this up last night. So we have 5-wave impulse to the upside. That's what I've been telling you guys I've been wanting to see. I want to see the 5-wave impulse to the upside with the ABC correction. And now hopefully we're seeing it get wrapped up. But we won't know if it is valid or not until this high gets broken. Because right now we do still have technically kind of have an ABC to the upside, which means this whole move, ABC to the upside could just be more correction itself, and then we'll just get another ABC to the upside, and then roll over. Dead cat. This could have been just a dead cat bounce, and could be over from there. So let's see. Let's get rid of all of this. So today I'll be watching this price point here. Basically $59,525. Want to see us get above this low right here at 59,567. Get above that. Get a close above that. This is on the 30-minute. So want to start seeing some, a trend shift. Want to start seeing some higher lows and higher highs and get back to the upside. But the the big one is going to be this one right here at $62,720. Let's get above that and get this thing continuing to move to the upside, and do it in 5 waves, impulses. That way, I know, okay, the next 5 wave impulse, first leg started here. 1, first leg, 2, second leg, and then 3 to the upside. Otherwise, my invalidation on this whole thing is going to be this low right here at $54,564. Break that, and it's likely that this was a correction, and we have, well, not necessarily, we could still hold this low, okay? We could still hold this low and be okay and just start another 5-wave impulse, over here. But taking this out means that, it would just take a little more time before we head back to the highs, the all-time highs. Taking a look back, zoom out to the weekly. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. There we go. All right, so on the weekly chart, might have to get rid of some drawings. Let's see. Let's go to, is this Binance Perps? Yep. All right, let's get rid of all of this. Don't need any of that. Weekly chart. So I would be interested to see if we do get a push down to start the week. We got daily looking beautiful. What about that 2-day? Daily looking good. I can see a fair value gap. Get into the fair value gap. Mitigate the whole fair value gap, meaning we took all of it. Let's see some continuation. That's what I want to see. And I think we might be getting it. That's also a 4-hour fair value gap that we've come down into. So that's just going to be like an area of demand, because we do have another fair value gap down here that could get tapped. Not all fair value gaps have to get filled. Okay, they don't all have to see love. You can push away from them. They could just mean, all right, we've got fair value here. This is fair value. Struggle Heart, good morning. Good morning, Anthony Soprano. My main YouTube account has issues with premiums, so be using this for a while. So can you make it a mod? Thank you. Oh, okay. Just learned today my S24 Ultra has a pin built into the phone. Come on, man. Yeah, I could get you that mod, Sniper. I can get you that mod. All right. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and pull a fib on here from low to high, see what we've gone down to. Came down, bounced right off of that 618. Beautiful. And looks like we're getting a nice little move already this morning. So, could be headed to the upside. Friday I was hoping for some continuation. Instead, we got the correction. We got the start of the correction. Corrected throughout the weekend, which is fine. But now it's time to start pushing things to the upside, and it's looking like it might be starting to do that. Give me 1 sec. Where's my live? If you wouldn't mind going and sharing out the stream, I would greatly appreciate it. Hitting that like button. Add as moderator. Standard moderator. Change chat modes. Can manage blocked words. Just gonna make you a standard moderator. There we go. Congratulations. You made it. All right. Oh, all right. We're getting a little bit of a move. Let's see. Yeah, I just want to see some continuation to the upside. Let's break this high up here, $62,737, and continue the move to the upside. So, would love to see this start getting into this low right here. If it can get above this low over here, that would be great, because that would invalidate a possible 5-wave structure to the downside, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I could see that. We do have some equal lows over here. So as long as we don't cross or touch this red line right here, then this would be a valid pullback, 5-wave structure to the downside. But I'd rather see us get into that and make this more of an ABC. Okay, we can start the next 5-wave impulse to the upside. But looks like it's trying to get above it right now. So let's do it. Come on. We can do it. All right, let's see. Good morning, crypto. Good morning, crypto. Next week, hopefully next week, the new show, Good Morning Crypto, will be starting with me and Blackie Chan over on the Piper Academy channel. So keep an eye out for that. I think we're going to be doing it 5:30 to 6:30 Central Standard Time. So be there. We'll go over news, technical analysis, all this stuff. Blackie Chan will be more fundamentals. You know, I'll give my takes too, but he'll be more fundamentals, and I will be more the charts. But hopefully we'll get a little bit more of a balance between us on both of those. So it'll be a lot of fun. I think it'll be nice. Possible bull flag, says Tony Soprano. Yes. Possible bull flag, indeed, Reno. A little bit. Little possible bull flag here, so we can give a little measured move on that. If it was to break out here on this candle, what is this, 4 hour? So it could break out on this candle or the next candle. Either one, we're still targeting about 69,000, targeting this high over here. So could definitely see that, get this last little move up here. This is going to be our next major area of resistance between 67.5 and 70,000. So the measured move breakout of this possible bull flag here would get us into that resistance zone. So yeah, I'm leaning a little more bullish. Let's pull up the oscillators here. Let's see. We do have on the 4 hour a hidden bullish divergence where our price is coming to the upside and our oscillator is coming to the downside. Is that hidden or is that a standard? That might be standard. Oh man, PM or AM? Blackie Chan and I will be doing AM, yes, if that is the question that you ask. Blackie Chan and I will be doing AM. I can never remember. Don't you? There we go. Hidden bullish. I just know it's a bullish divergence, and that's all that really matters. Bullish divergences happen on the bottom side of the of price and the oscillator. So like this. See this. the support side. Bearish is on the resistance side. This is a hidden. So I was right. It's when the oscillator is coming down and price is coming up. That is a hidden bullish divergence. And we're seeing that push right now. So we could start that push up today. So we could see a nice big move today. And then Tuesdays typically being down days means that we could see the pullback on Tuesday or sideways correction. So let's start our first wave of the next 5-wave impulse today. Get the pullback maybe overnight during Asia into London. And then continue the trend in New York. We'll see. We'll see. But it would be nice to start seeing that, to see some more continuation today to really start getting us back in the right direction. So that's what I am looking for today. I want to see some continuation based off of this bullish divergence on the 4-hour. We have it on the RSI. We have it on the RSI primed. This one uses Heikin-Ashi candles. This one just uses the closes. But we can see on the lower time frames, on like the 15-minute, we can see the 5-wave structure to the upside. Big push up, sideways correction. Big push up, sideways correction. Big push up, and then bigger correction, because that is how the market maker does things. So the only thing getting in the way today, but might get front run, but I don't know. This is perps. This isn't spot, but it's this equal. It's these equal lows right here. So wouldn't I be surprised to see a little tap into there at some point and then continue? So just be aware of that. If you're in any trades, especially a swing trade, I would just put a stop below the low, last week's low, and then, or this invalidation low, and then I would just ride this to the upside. That's ride the wave of the week. Ride the wave. Could be a nice big wave this week. So, yeah, could be in for it. We do have a little bit of stuff going on this week. Tomorrow we do have core PPI and PPI. We have core CPI, so we have inflation data coming in Wednesday. And then Thursday we have some retail sales, core retail sales, unemployment claims. And Friday we have some building permits, some housing stuff, and consumer sentiment stuff. So after today, it should be a pretty busy day, or week, rather. So might be best to just let today play out and just see what it gives us. Okay, let the market show its hand, and see what we're gonna do. But this is looking like a nice big push to the upside. So if we start getting a little bit of a correction and another push to the upside, okay, maybe it's time to jump in along and get going if we're not already long. Okay, so this would be a long zone here between 57.6 and 59.6. That's a $2,000 range, but this looks like where we have been seeing a lot of price action. So now we are getting a little bit extended on the 15-minute, a little bit overextended. Not really a bear div. There is one here though on the standard RSI, a little bit of a bear div, where our oscillators moving to the upside while our price is clearly putting in a lower high. So could see a little bit of a pullback on that. And that's the thing you also got to remember, like the smaller the time frame, it could just be a pullback and a bigger move, right? So if you get a bearish divergence on the 15-minute, you zoom out to the 4-hour and you see, all right, we still have the bullish divergence on the 4-hour. So we could just be seeing a pullback after this push to the upside, based off the 15-minute bear div, right? And if, it's sitting there at the midpoint of this channel, we've got the resistance lines right above us. So, it's not too unexpected to get a pullback or some kind of, sideways correction or accumulation, and then continue to the upside. So just be patient with the moves today. For me personally, I think I'll be going long today and trying to buy pullbacks. Break this low, and then I'll be looking for a reversal in this zone down here. So, I'd be just looking for some kind of reversal, no matter what kind of reversal it is. Just be looking for something down in this zone between 55.5 and 56.6. So, little $1,000 range there. Basically below these equal lows and above this high right here. So, if price is to come down here, give us a little more of a cool off than expected, then I would look for the reversal down here. Break this low, and I will be looking for shorts. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Iran-Israel conflict seems a bit worrying for the markets. Yeah. Good morning, all set. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, L. Jones. Good morning, Amy Lives Crypto. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? How are you all doing? It's good to see you. Good to be seen. Thanks for asking. Overall, I'm feeling I'm leaning a little bit more on the bull side, but I do just want to be a little bit cautious of this one, with these equal lows and this fair value gap right here. So just want to make that aware. Now, if we start pushing, we break this high up here at 62,737 significantly, okay? Not a weak push up and then a push back down. That's not what we want to confirm that we are going to continue. We want a close above that high after a nice big push to the upside, like a nice big break of it. Close above it, hold above it, and then continue. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see a big rejection from that level, because that just means sell pressure up here is pretty strong. But I think we could be seeing some upside today, and for the rest of the week. But be patient with it. Get down to the nitty gritty. Get to your lower time frames. Look for possible entries on little pullbacks. If you see a nice little pullback, just hop on the train. Hop on the waves. And ride the waves out. But yeah. That's going to be it for me, guys. Short and sweet, but I got to get ready for work. Tomorrow should get up a little earlier tomorrow, since I wouldn't be getting home at 9:30 after a weekend at the ball fields. So yeah, should be much easier to get to sleep at a decent time tonight. But yeah, thank you guys for joining me this morning. It's a new week. It's new setups, new everything. We just want to see some continuation. We want to see some highs get broken. We want to see some conviction in the price. We want to see some strength start showing some weakness, and we got to be careful. So hope you all have an amazing day. I will see you all tomorrow morning, bright and early, and in the chats today, though. Don't forget to go to Piper Academy at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning at Market Open for your Market Open show. So go check that out. And Crypto Nightcap in the evenings at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But thank you all for joining me. I appreciate you all. We'll see you in the chats. Join the Discord. It is free. But that's it. Mad love and respect. Have a great one. Peace out.